Tired of juggling findings between Burp Suite and your reporting platform? Introducing the Pentest-Tools.com Burp Suite Extension. This powerful extension allows you to push selected audit issues directly from Burp Suite to your Pentest-Tools.com workspace with a single click. Built for pen testers who need to move fast. No more copy-paste. Plus, you have everything in one place. Let's walk through the simple setup process. First, ensure you have two themes. A Burp Suite Professional license. Although the extension can be also installed in the Burp community, you will not have access to Burp issues. And a valid Pentest-Tools.com API key and a Pentest Suite plan. To get started, log in into the Pentest-Tools.com dashboard. Go to Integrations, and from the Burp entry, you can download the latest release of the extension. You can also go to our GitHub repository, where you can analyze the source code, check the README file, and download the jar file from the releases page. You will find the link in the video description. Once downloaded, open Burp Suite Professional and navigate to Extensions, Installed. Click Add, select Java as the extension type, point to the downloaded jar file, and click Next. You'll immediately see a new Pentest-Tools.com tab appear. Next, we need your API key. If you don't already have one, head over to the integrations page on Pentest-Tools.com. Here you can easily create a new API key, giving it a suitable name and expiration date. Once created, copy your personal access token. Now, go back to Burp Suite Professional, open the new Pentest-Tools.com tab, paste your API key, and hit Save. If your key is valid, your workspaces will be pulled in automatically. Select the workspace you want to use for this Burp project. Each Burp project is linked to a specific workspace, and this setting persists between sessions. You can easily switch workspaces later from this dropdown. And that's it for the setup. Now, let's see it in action. I have here a scan performed earlier today against our publicly available playground. You can analyze issues in Burp, and when you see some you want to include in the report, you just need to select them, right-click, and choose Extensions, Pentest-Tools.com, and send issues to, and here you will find your selected workspace name. The extension instantly sends your chosen issue details to your selected workspace. Here is how the data maps. Burp's issue name becomes the finding title. The host and path informs the affected asset and specific location. Severity, high, medium, low, or info maps directly. Certain confidence is also preserved. We include Burp's issue background as the finding description, issue details as evidence, and remediation guidance as recommendation. If you resend similar issues, they will be grouped together. Findings associated with different targets will appear as separate entries, giving you a clear overview. Finding source is also tagged as Burp Suite to make filtering a breeze. You can also edit and clone these findings directly within Pentest-Tools as any other manual findings, allowing for further customization and enrichment before generating the report. Each added target has a Burp-related description to easily remember where it originated from. Now, all you have to do is to select all findings you want to include in your report, hit Generate Report, and get it in seconds. You can combine findings generated by our scanners with Burp findings and findings you manually created. So, what are the advantages of this integration? Efficiency. Send findings directly from Burp without manually copy-pasting, saving significant time. Centralize reporting. Keep all your pentest findings in one organized place in Pentest-Tools. Faster reporting. Cut down on reporting time by automating the transfer of vulnerability data. And unified workflow. Stay in your rhythm. No need to break your concentration to switch tools for every finding. Ready to simplify your vulnerability management workflow? Download the extension today and experience the difference. Visit our documentation for more details. Thank you for watching.